kids, do you know there are two ways to add numbers? Yes, we can add numbers side by side and top to bottom. Welcome back to Mini Mathematicians. In today's video, we will learn addition of two-digit numbers using place values, and we will do it in both ways, horizontal and vertical. Example 1. Add 36 and 23. Let's first write them side by side. Now look at their place values. 36 equals to 3 tens and 6 ones. 23 equals to 2 tens and 3 ones. Start with the ones first. 6 plus 3 equals to 9 ones. Now add the tens. 3 tens and 2 tens equals to 5 tens. So 36 plus 23 equals to 59. Let's add the same numbers top to bottom. Start with the ones column. 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Now move to the tens column. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. And our answer is again 59. See, both ways give us the same answer. Great job, Mini Mathematicians. In the next video, we will solve another fun example together. So don't forget to watch part 2. If you liked learning with me, tap the like button, subscribe to Mini Mathematicians, and share it with your friends who love numbers too.